Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hello everyone, in this problem we have to calculate moment of force about the point A and its direction cosines alpha, beta and gamma. If horizontal force of 20 Newton is applied on the branch of the socket at point A at angle 60 degree of xy plane. So this force can be resolved into two components, one in the horizontal direction and other in vertical directions. So it will be 20 sine of 60 I cap minus 20 cos of 60 j cap Newton. Twenty cos of 60 j cap Newton, and the force can be written as 17.32 I cap minus 10 j cap Newton. Now position vector VA. Now the position vector VA can be written as minus this distance is 200 millimeter. So it can be written as negative. This is y and this is x. So this is 0.1 millimeter. So it 10 millimeters, so it can be written as 0.01 meter I cap, and this is y, so it can be written as 0.2 j cap, and this will be in meter. Now moment of force about B point will be cross product of VA vector and force vector. We will solve it by determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. Substitute the value of position vector minus 0.01, 0.20. Substitute the value of force 17.32 minus 10, 0. On solving, moment of force above B point we will get minus 3.364 Newton meter. K cap. This is first answer. Now we have to find direction cosines. The cos of alpha will be x component, that is 0, divided by its magnitude 3.3640. This is 0, so alpha is 90 degree. Cos of beta, y component, upon magnitude of moment of force. So this is also 0, so beta will be 90 degree. Now value of gamma. Cos of gamma is 3.364 minus 3.64, that is minus 1, so it will be 180 degrees. So this is the answer for problem. Thank you for watching.